award ceremony. How do you feel and how you seen on this your kind in
No, see, we respect the people's mandate, whatever they have given, and we have to play a role of a constructive opposition. And I'm quite sure that the Congress party will play a very good role of the opposition. And I'm thankful to the people of Kongoli, my constituency. I have won with one of the highest margins, and there was no split for me because the people were quite wise, I feel. And I'm thankful, and we are going to be a very constructive opposition to raise issues pertaining to Kongolim and pertaining to Goa.
last 5 to 10 years? How you seen on your constituency?
So there was absolutely no development. It's failed on all the fronts. In spite of the BJP being an MLA for 2 terms, there was absolutely no opposition. Unemployment has been one of the biggest issues. So we are quite sure that we will try to be a opposition and work towards that, towards our manifesto.
Yuri, you have issues like bypass, then railway issues and all. So also assembly na sir, question
We will definitely raise these issues because the bypass was an issue started in 2007. But लोकांगे गौरव इथे जाले आम मुखार आसपाकूच जाय न्हू नाल्यार आमचे फायद कितें सो हे इश्यू आमी काडले आनी गोंयकारां पासत आमी मुखार झगडोंक I think we are also new MLAs in the Congress, in the opposition. We will work together and fight for Goa.
Thank you.